Selection part is combinations of styles in Silat. So there are a lot of styles within them, and Hukum Chupa is the combinations, is the mixtures of those Silat. So he's going to show what Silat is actually. He's going to clarify what you see on video, what you hear from people about Silat. Okay, and he also his guru has also written books about Silat, and the book is based on his journey for 20 years in Silat. As Uda has told Max, he's also trying to prepare, he's also preparing the English versions of his book, so his book is more readable in the future. Yeah? So he's not going to finish it. Good luck, just like that. Right, we are going to start soon. Okay, bagi yang sudah hadir peserta, for those who have just come, please follow, silahkan saja duduk di depan. Sensei Kus, terima kasih sudah hadir.